family, welcome to my beauty space. So as we enter the upstairs, we're entering the upstairs loft, and this is where my beauty room is located, and I'm going to give you a quick view from this angle. Okay, so as we enter up the stairs, the first thing you're going to see is this portrait that my husband got made for me a while back for my birthday. Absolutely gorgeous. It is huge, so it is kind of like the centerpiece as you enter the stairs. I have a table underneath it with just some decor pieces. Over here on this side, I do have a full-length body mirror with a rug that says "Hello Gorgeous," where you can stand and check out your outfit of the day. Okay, now as you enter my room, you will see a acrylic dog gate that I have right here, and it goes all the way over like this. And the reason why I chose to get this is because to keep my dog out of my room. Now, I didn't go with white, I didn't go with black or anything like that because I wanted it to be acrylic and see-through and not take away from the space. So that's why I wanted it just like this. So this is absolutely perfect. So as you come inside, the first thing you'll see is my desk. I sit here and do anything I have to do on the computer. Right above that is some portraits that I got made at mixtiles.com. Mixtiles is a website that has where you can upload your personal photos and make them into prints like this. It adheres to the wall in kind of like a magnetic way. I absolutely love them, and I will be ordering some more. Okay, so I also have another table. This table is bigger than that table. They come like one's higher than the other one. Okay, which is gorgeous. I love it. So I got those for that area. Now over here is the Peloton bike that I got from my sister. I love this bike, but let me tell you one thing, baby. You sit on that too long, your butt will be hurting, okay? I don't exercise on this enough, but I do thank her so much for it. It has a huge screen on the front where you can watch like Netflix, watch exercise videos, you know, just to keep yourself going. I have some weights on the side there as well. And this area is my sunglasses. You guys know I used to sell sunglasses, so I do have quite a bit of a collection. These are my two Alex draws. I've been having these for years. These four they're so old. Been having them for quite a long time. But anyway, right here, I love this section of the room. This couch is perfect for the area, and I love the curtains. These curtains come from Amazon, you guys. I was trying to keep a pink and gray theme, and I think it looks very, very gorgeous. Love that. Now, as we come over here this way, let me back. You guys will see my two stands right there. My two stands that me and my son put together. They're my bookshelves. This one right here has a lot of makeup palettes on there, as you can see. At the top, I just have some of the Glam Light beauty collections that came out a while back. I was just trying to decorate the top, which I may change the top in the future, not quite sure, but for right now, that's what it's looking like. Palettes here, more palette. This is my Alexa. And as we go over here, this is my beauty refrigerator with my facial things inside. Here is all of my hair accessories and tools, and in those drawers is the same thing. Okay, the TV, that's where I watch every morning as I do my makeup every morning. So as we come on this side over here, it's the same bookshelf. More eyeshadow palettes, and then here's like perfumes and body sprays and things like that, and a little decor at the top. Okay, over here, which is the gorgeous Vanity. Miranda, thank you so much for that sign that she got me for my birthday. It's absolutely lovely. It flickers, it blinks, you can dim it, and all kind of things you can do through that light, so I absolutely love that as well. This desk right here is absolutely gorgeous, and as you see, I have more eyeshadow palettes here. I have more in this drawer here. More, these are lashes here, and in here is more eyeshadow palettes. I really haven't bought any really new eyeshadow palettes because I have quite a bit, and I haven't really been doing YouTube videos like I used to in the past. So I've been trying to slender down on buying eyeshadow palettes because I have hundreds that I barely even use. So I don't have any new ones really. So anyway, this is where the magic happens, right here in this area. So yeah, let me close those back up. Okay, now as we come over this way, this is where I keep all of my shoes in these boxes. I got these on Amazon as well. To the center of the room, I have the gorgeous chandelier right here. And my husband purchased that and got that installed for me as well. The rug matches the curtains, which I tried to keep that aesthetic going like that. Now over here, this island is absolutely beautiful. Me and my son put this together. I wouldn't be able to put this together without him, as well as him helping me put these shelves together, okay? Hello, somebody. So right here we have just a jewelry, bracelets, and earrings. And that's not all of what I have. I have some over here in these pink things as well. As you come around on this side, I have most of my cups and everything down there. Some little things down there. These have drawers on the bottom as well. And I have some cups down there. These are some of my purses right there. And I also have 4 drawers on this side as well. And I have some things stored in there as well. That's pretty much it. I don't think I left anything out of this video. But I do, I'm gonna have your, ask you guys' opinion on something now. You see where the couch is sitting at, like a little love seat, right? On each side, I wanted to put some like tall, like vases like this that maybe sit on the floor that comes up. Will that be too much? I was really thinking about that and putting some papaya leaf things in there that really look like fluffy flowers and put them on the side. That's what I was thinking of putting there, but I didn't want to overdo it. So anyway, again, this is the overlook of my makeup room. I hope you guys like it. I love it. This is a room of peace, a room of just to think, you know, I just absolutely love it. And this is how it looks from afar. Very, very gorgeous. Love the aesthetic of the whole room. So anyway, you guys, until next time, always stay fabulous.